What up, nomads? In this video, I'm sharing what I got from my husband to kit him completely with new travel gear from Monos. What did I get him and why did I choose these items? Let's start with the Monos Hybrid Medium Check-In. When we travel for pleasure, we often do carry-on only, but as two physical product entrepreneurs, our business trips require us to bring samples, marketing materials, accessories for trade show booths and markets. So we now travel with checked bags primarily. Now, Tyler really needed an upgrade from his old check-in suitcase that was beat up in more ways than one. So I decided to get him the Hybrid Check-In, which is a mix between an aluminum suitcase and the more common polycarbonate models. I liked this model because it has an aluminum frame and corner guards, adding a ton of durability and sturdiness while preserving the lighter weight of a polycarbonate suitcase because of its German Makrolon shell. The fact that they color match the shell to the aluminum corners is such a stylish touch. It's not cheap, but as an industrial designer, Tyler's kind of picky about his products, so I wanted to pick something that would look great and meet his needs. These 360 spinner wheels are an absolute dream. I have a Monos model that's a different one, and I love the wheels. They're smooth, I can push my suitcase with one finger, so I was sure that this one would be the same, and it doesn't disappoint. And the handle, it's really unique compared to the ones from Away and other competitor brands. They've redesigned it so it has 4 height settings. You can click the button on the bottom. It's got an ergonomic shape and it's super tough, which is important because I often balance things on the handles and I've bent handles in the past by putting things that were too heavy on them. So this is an important feature for me when I'm looking at suitcases. One thing that's different about this suitcase is the fact that it's zipperless. Now I have a few carry-ons that are the clasp trunk style and I do really like them, but personally it didn't have a check-in bag with clasps, so I was curious to see this one. I did have a medium suitcase recently have the zipper teeth get bent and the zipper couldn't close all the way. Not that it's really turning me off from zippers altogether, but I do like knowing that this won't happen with this particular model. On the inside, there's plenty of space. They say it fits enough for 7 to 18 days, and I think that's pretty accurate. Tyler tends to bring about half clothes in his clamshell suitcases and half products, supplies, and he carries his tech stuff in his backpack. Because of a lot of little items that aren't soft like clothes are, this side in particular is great to keep it all contained. Then on the other side, the compression straps help keep clothes from taking up too much space. The suitcase comes with extra bags to keep shoes and laundry separate, which is great when you're on a business trip because typically you don't have access to a washer dryer and you're really busy anyway, so you want to keep your clean and dirty things as separate as possible. But Monos also sent Tyler a 6-piece compression bag kit. So these cubes are designed to fit perfectly in your Monos luggage, and they come in sets of 4 or 6 depending on whether you're planning to put them in your carry-on or in a check-in suitcase. They help you pack smarter by keeping your clothes and items neatly organized while saving valuable space, which for us is important since we try to bring as much inventory as we can. What makes these cubes really great is the built-in compression zippers that allow you to reduce the height by up to 60%, making sure that you're maximizing space in your luggage. And this is great, especially if you're packing things like bulky sweaters because you can really push them down and fit even more in. So would I recommend this suitcase? Absolutely, and I'm a little jealous that it's not for myself. I think it's a perfect gift for someone who travels a lot. It's tough, it's stylish, and the attention to detail is top-notch. You're paying for quality here. It's not cheap, but honestly, it feels like a suitcase that's gonna last a long time. Plus, Monos offers a lifetime warranty, so if anything breaks, they'll fix it or replace it for life. So it's definitely an investment, but a good one. If you're looking to spoil a traveler who appreciates both form and function, this is a solid choice. It's the kind of suitcase that'll actually make their life easier, and let's face it, they'll probably think of you every time they travel, so that's a pretty great gift in my opinion. As I mentioned before, clothes, product samples and supplies, and toiletries, Tyler packs them all in his checked bag, leaving things like tech accessories specifically for the personal item, like a backpack. And he'd been wanting a backpack to replace one that was starting to break in certain places, so I ordered the Monos Metro backpack in black nylon. It's practical, it's beautiful, and if you're trying to buy a gift for someone, leveling up their day-to-day items like their backpack is such a great way to treat them to something they wouldn't buy for themselves. So I picked this one because I felt like the nylon would be sleek and stylish, but also really resistant and easy to clean. And it's got really nice vegan leather detailing, so it looks polished, but it also has that lightweight feel of nylon and the practicality of something that's super easy to clean. So this backpack has a laptop sleeve, it has compartments on the inside, and it has the trolley sleeve and a nice handle. Now, another really sneaky detail that I didn't notice at first is this pocket on the back. It has a magnetic snap closure, and this is great for your passport, for your phone, for your keys. If you're a person who's paranoid that you'll misplace those most important items, especially when you're on the go, then this pocket is the best place to keep them. And it's such a sneaky little great feature that I think will come in handy for a lot of people when they're traveling. Now, hands down, one of the coolest features of the Metro backpack and most of Monos's bags is the quick snap modular kit system. This is the Metro kit and it snaps right onto the front of the bag, and it's basically an extra little pouch for your essentials. You could put your passport in there, keys, charger, whatever you need, easily accessible. And what's awesome is that you can actually swap this out with different kits from Monos depending on what you need. So it's perfect if you want to keep your super important stuff close when you're on the move, but don't want to carry a bulky bag. You can just pop it off and grab it. Comfort-wise, the shoulder straps are well padded. Now, I've seen ones that are more padded on different models and different backpacks, so it's hard to know now whether it'll be comfortable when it's fully packed and he's been wearing it for a couple of hours. But overall, a lot of the features on this backpack are geared towards comfort and practicality. The last item in my list of upgrades for Tyler is the Metro hanging toiletry case. Tyler's current dock kit is also a hanging model, so I knew that he liked that feature. This Monos one has even more room than his current one. I like that it has tons of compartments, and this middle zipper opens all the way around. So it opens up really conveniently and you can access everything. But the most important feature really is this adjustable hanging strap. So you can hang it on different types of hooks and different towel rack configurations. So whether you're staying in an Airbnb, someone's house, or in a hotel room, you've got that convenience. So this zipper opens here, but it's also a compartment you can access from the inside with this mesh. And there's a place to hold your razor here, but also when it's hanging, you can have your toothbrush or your razor hanging on this side, which is also a nice feature. Thanks for watching this rundown of everything I got to upgrade my husband's travel kit. All the links to the Monos items are in the description, so go check them out as you plan your holiday gift list for the nomads in your life. Happy travels and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video until the end. For more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the Capsule Suitcase and turn on notifications so you get all the fresh content as soon as it comes out. Thanks for supporting this channel. Happy travels!